everybody, it's me Martin here. Today I'll be showing you Thomas, Annie, and clarabel. Now the Annie and clarabel don't have faces, but I'll be using them in my series. I might put little faces on them later. Let's get started. So let's get started with Thomas. So this is a Trackmaster to Thomas if you don't know, and Annie and clarabel are Trackmaster 1. So if you want to just, but yeah, this is my Trackmaster to Thomas. I think I showed you this one already. It has number 1 on it. No, it has cap details, but it came off. And yeah, this Thomas is pretty cool. Now let's look at the design of the face. Now the face is cool. Sometimes people want me to look at the face. And yeah, so we got Thomas. So I'm gonna start using this one in my railway series. And okay, so let's get on to the next one. So next we have, wait, who is it? Oh, this picture. Next, I don't think. Next we have Annie or clarabel. Annie or clarabel here because they fell out the bag and I can't read the name. Well, let me tell you this, y'all. I have to tell you this in a million videos. I had Steven Johnson, and I can't see that well. One of my eyes are closed, okay? So please don't tease me who y'all like or something. And we haven't been getting likes lately, so please, if you want to like, because we really want to like. But let's look at this. So, Annie or clarabel. This is a really cool one. It has the white. It has the white on the top. But what I really had wanted is one that had black. But that's okay. We got the the lines on the top. I wish those were black, but that's okay. We got the windows. The windows look pretty cool. You can see through them. I don't think there's no objects or something inside. But if you want to, you can seal, because this top is sealed to here, but you can just like pull it off or cut it off with something, because I really want to put something inside. So if you want to put, I'm making a video. Okay, y'all. My sister just came in here, so say hi, Cammy.
Hello.
And yeah, let's get on to clarabel. Ow. Now, clarabel or Annie is really cool. It's the same thing on the top. It looks the same unless the name tag. So yeah, that's really all to show with this train. And yeah, so let me connect all the trains back together. Okay, I'll be right back. So yeah, that was the video of Thomas, Annie, and clarabel. So hopefully y'all enjoy. Leave a like and I'm gonna just go ahead, because I don't know how to leave link in the description. I'll just go ahead and tell you. You can, but now they done closed Toys R Us down or something. So I'm glad I have Annie and clarabel. I actually got 2. I got the soccer ball one and then those. But yeah, so I like this Thomas. It's really cool.